Hey everyone, Jeff Sari from The Practical Drummer here. I'm going to do a series of videos now on the 4/3 polyrhythm, okay, also known as the dotted eighth note. So essentially it's using 3 16th note groupings. So in its natural state it resolves in 3/4. So if I play 16th notes in 3/4 and I accent on the downbeat of each beat, I get this. And I'll put the accent up here. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1, right? So that's pretty simple. It's right with the left foot hi-hat because I'm accenting every fourth one. It falls right on the beat. But we want to accent every third note. Okay, so now it's going to switch hands. And essentially in 3/4 it's going to hit the 1 is the right hand, then it's going to go to a left hand on the duh of 1, then back to the right on the and of 2, and then the left hand, the last left hand is the E of 3. Okay, and slowly it would sound like this. I'm going to put the mid tom on the right hand and the left hand with the high tom. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Okay, so that's its natural state. And I'll put it to the left foot now. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Okay, a little bit up to speed. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So just to delineate, I'm going to play one measure of accents on the quarter notes and then one measure of this polyrhythm, just so you can hear the change, okay? So I'll just, again, play the right and left hand up here. So 1, 2, 3, and a... Okay, so you can see that. So it's every third 16th note, so it switches hands. Okay, we're playing hand to hand right now. I'm going to show you right hand lead in future videos. But we want to apply this to 4/4, which now it does not resolve on one of the downbeat. You know, the first note of 4. It'll go over the bar line because we're not in 3/4 anymore. So essentially, it's going to go 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and then it would go to the and of the next measure over the bar line. But for this intents and purpose of this video, we're just going to use the first measure of this polyrhythm, because essentially to get back to 1 and 4/4, it takes 3 measures of 4/4 to get back to 1. But we're going to just use the first measure of the polyrhythm, okay? So 2 a pulse, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a... Okay, so you can see I just did one measure of 4/4 with just on the beat, on the quarter note with the left foot, and then I got into the polyrhythm, okay? So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Back to 1 to start it all over again, okay? So we're going to increase the speed a little bit, and I'm going to play this in a groove. So I'll just play a basic 4/4 groove, and then I'll add this in on the 4th measure. And instead of going do 1, I'm just going to go do 1 with a cymbal to get back into the groove, okay? 1, 2... Okay, so that last one, I just added double strokes in between, which I'll show you in another video. I just was having a little fun. So that's it for now. The next video I will show you some right hand lead, and then we'll get into some grooves and just kind of explore different ways to create this polyrhythm in 4/4. Okay, take care.